So we are currently gonna do something on Google Drive. So let's get right into it. Okay, so this is the interface of a Google Drive, and you can see the section. There's a place for new creation. If you want to create a new folder, you want to upload files, and you want to upload folders. There's Google Doc, Google Forms, Google Slide, Google Video, and a whole lot. Google Forms, and there's still more. Yeah. So this is home. You can see my interface, and this is my drive. It's taking time. Okay. All right. This is my drive. You can see different files, videos, and all that. So this is the section of files that have been shared with me. You can see shared with me. Yeah, and there's recent, there's start. So now let's go ahead and create a new folder, okay? Yeah, so the name of our folder is going to be Adapt VA Health Tech. We've created a folder. So after creating a folder, we will go ahead to create subfolders. What are subfolders? Subfolders are, it's more like when you have a file, like I told you, a file is a container, and then a folder, sorry, is a container, and a file is within the container. So that's the same thing with a folder and a subfolder. Subfolders are inside for a folder, okay? Yeah, so we've created our first subfolder. Let's do like let's say four more subfolders. This helps to keep your files organized, and also makes it professional, and also it makes you not to misplace files or have difficulty in finding a particular file, because you just have to navigate, go to a particular section, and then you have everything in there under the folder, the subfolders, and all that. So okay, let's create another one. I'm just showing you how to create the subfolders. I necessarily don't have to do much more than this, but I just wanted to like say it. So you can see I'm still creating one subfolder under a folder, which is under the VA Health Tech, okay? All right, so let's pick a folder. Let's pick a folder to create a patient file. Let's pick a folder to create a patient file, to put in a patient file. Yeah, okay, so we'll go with patient name. All right, so just go ahead, new folder. So we're going to name it after a patient. We are assuming that this is the file of a patient. So yeah, we're going with Smith John 2026. Yeah. Okay. It's created. Okay. So, and we are trying to import a file, or let's import probably a video or something, a folder into John Smith 2026. Okay, just go to new, click, yeah, and click on that. Okay, so you can see at the lower right corner, our video is already being downloaded into Smith John 2026 section. Okay, so we just have to wait for it to finish downloading. Okay, that's it. So you can see we have it inside. You know, we went from general to Adadi VA, from Adadi VA to patient name, from patient name to Smith, and now we have a video inside Smith John 2026. So what we're going to do now, let's see if we can rename this folder. Okay, we can rename the video. All right, let's rename it. Okay, so we're going to rename it. I think we're going to say Smith John's intake video. Probably we might add 2026, or we might not add it. Okay, let's see how. All right, there it is. So you can also rename your folders or your file if you want to. Okay, so now let's go ahead. Like, let's say for instance you want to share this file to someone directly from your drive. You just click the, yeah, but before doing that you have to do some settings. Like, you can type in the email or the name of the people you want to share that file with, and you see that this is restricted, so only me have access to it. So you can change it to anyone with the link before copying the link to share it. Okay, which is what I just did. Then you copy the link. Then if you want to send a direct message, you want to send it as an email, you do this. Yeah, click on the box, type in the email address. I already have a lot of emails, so yeah, type in your message and then you can send it. The person is going to get the file immediately in their inbox through email. Okay, you send it. Then there are other methods of sharing too. Let's see. All right, so that's that for Drive. You can see the subfolders that were created, and yeah. So a drive is basically where you store your folders, your files, your videos, your links, whatever, and you can share it to people, and they can, when they have the link and click on it, they can directly view whatever you're sharing with them. You can also set it to, they won't be able to edit it. I think I'm going to show you in one of the videos, not this one. You can also set it so that people won't be able to edit or comment, just view.